Hi guys, so I'm here to show you some hair from Stema hair. 22 inches, 24, 26 and 28. These are bundles straight. Very good quality hair, very soft, very shiny.